In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams background before a meeting. We all know that video meetings have become an essential part of our daily routine, whether for work, study, or connecting with friends and family. Sometimes, the background behind us might not be the most suitable for the occasion. Fortunately, Microsoft Teams allows you to change your background even before the meeting starts. Let's dive into how you can do this in just a few easy steps. First, open up your preferred browser and go to Microsoft Teams. You'll want to ensure you're logged in with your credentials. Once you've logged into Teams, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or click on Start Meeting to begin a new one. If you're just testing things out or preparing for a meeting that you'll host, you can start one yourself to make these changes. Now that you're in the meeting screen, it's time to make those background adjustments. You'll notice there are several icons along the edge of your meeting window. Look for the three-dot menu, sometimes referred to as More Actions. It's usually located around the middle of the bar at the top or bottom of your screen. Click on More Actions, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for you to choose from. Here, you'll want to select the Video Effects and Settings option. Clicking this will open up your Video Settings menu, which allows you to tweak a variety of video call settings, including background choices. In this new menu, there should be a list of background options for you to explore. Microsoft Teams provides a selection of built-in backgrounds ranging from professional to fun. You can browse through these backgrounds to find the one that fits the tone of your meeting best. But if you're feeling creative or want a more personal touch, you can even upload your own images to use as a background. Once you've decided on your desired background, you must apply it. There should be an Apply button somewhere on your screen, likely a visible and dominant button after you select your background choice. Hit that, and your new background will appear behind you in the video, giving you the polished look you're striving for. Finally, now with your selected background applied, you're all set to either continue with the meeting you've just started or leave your meeting if this was simply a test run. And there you have it. Changing your Microsoft Teams background before a meeting is as simple as that. It only takes a few moments, but can make a big difference in your meeting's professionalism and mood. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip helps you make the most out of your Microsoft Teams experience.